go!
Good morning, YouTube. Welcome back to Powered by 8 Racing YouTube channel. It is early. I am tired. I just got up, got ready, got my gear set up. This is my regular routine in the mornings when I come to an event. I usually am the first one up and the last one to sleep. I don't know. Maybe it's just a little bit of excitement, and yeah, I don't know. I like to have everything in order. I don't like to be running around looking for things at the last minute, so I like everything to be organized to at least I know where it is. I can just grab it. So I've gone through all my gear. I've got it all set up over there, so I can just run in and grab it, throw it on. I'll grab my gloves, throw them in the car this morning, and then my helmet over there. I'll leave outside. If you are staying in an RV or a trailer, or even your trailer with an air conditioner or something like that, what tends to happen is you take your helmet from inside to outside and it fogs up, and it takes a little bit of time for it to go back to normal. So normally I never bring my helmet back into a climate controlled area once it's been outside, and that's just to keep the fog off of the lens, and that's just normally what I do. So that's the pro tip. I'm not really a pro, so, but it's a tip anyways, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna go outside. I'm gonna just get things done. I gotta run to the gas station and grab some ice for the cool shirt system, which isn't gonna be in there long. I'm kind of tired of having to get ice for that stupid machine. So let's jump in the truck. It's still dark out and cold. Run to the gas station, and when I get back, I'll show you what else I do. Hi, let me show you why I hate the cool shirt system. It's great, affordable option. If it's what you can get, then that's great. But if you can get the chill out system, I think it's much better. So obviously I have to get between the trunk and the wing. I could mount that, on the passenger floorboard. But if I did that, then I couldn't have a passenger very easily, or I'd have to take it out to have a passenger, and then in which case I would be hot. Well, the passenger can be hot. I don't want to be hot. Anyways, so I'll reach in here. Okay. Unhook the chest. And then I gotta go get the ice. Obviously I could do the ice in one trip. See that? Muscles. That's 20 pounds I just curled. Yeah, big guy. Alright, break up the ice. Oh, they gypped us. They're 7 pounds now. Well, that's stupid. I needed 3 bags. I don't feel so tough. I only curled 14 pounds, not 20. Alright, normally I could fit 20 pounds of ice. Once you get it wet, it settles, you put more ice in. I didn't realize these were so light. Anyways, this is what we're going to do. And then there's 1. 2 gallons. I go right to the top. And then you're going to take some of this stuff. Say put a cap full. I'll probably do 2 today. I'll flush it because I haven't used it for a little bit. It'll slosh itself around, make its way through the system.
And that, my friends, is why I don't like the cool shirt system much anymore. Again, great affordable option. If you need a cool shirt system, cooling, a core temperature control system, whatever you want to call it, in your car, then the cool shirt system is great. It's affordable. It's $1,000, I think. I don't know what the prices are now, but they're around $1,000, a couple $100 for a shirt. And then the other systems on the market are, you know, intro is like $3,000, and that goes up from there. But yeah, I'm gonna probably get something in the mail. I don't want to deal with this anymore. All right, let's move on to the rest of getting prepped for the morning. All right, I've got everything set up. What I did, I mean, it's getting really misty. It's, I don't, you probably can't tell, but yeah, it fogged us in here pretty good. It'll usually burn off a little bit later once the sun comes out, which we're expecting it to be a little bit sunnier out today. But yeah, this is getting nasty, wet, gross. All I've done is I've gone ahead and I've just corner balanced. I'm not corner balanced, I've checked the weight of the car since I'm here. So that's going. You can kind of see the windows all fogged up. Yeah, it's pretty gross. So I'm going to kind of get changed up. Driver's meeting is at 7:40. It's mandatory driver's meeting. So I'll go do that at 7:40. And then immediately following that is a warm-up session, yellow flag, no passing. So I'm gonna do that just to get some temperature in the car. And that's it.
Sound good for everybody? Yeah. All right. So we're going to give away some free stuff from Stoner Car Care. Also going to give away one of our 10 Track Days famous koozies. These retail normally for $599. We're selling them today 2 for $5.
All right, first session's done. Car feels freaking amazing. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's a little loose on entry, so just it's understeering like big time, and so we're gonna do a shock adjustment, and we'll see what it does. But I can't describe it. It's so good and so much better than what it was that I don't even know what to adjust, because even in a neutral state it already feels better. So yeah, it's pretty freaking awesome. So I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Got Cecil here again helping me out. Alright, I don't have much to say right now. I just came into the trailer, changing, had a fire, and I think the starter caught on fire somewhere down there, arced it, dash started flashing going into turn 10, and we're gonna go see what happened. We'll see. Alright, later. Alright, so just a little bit of a roller coaster of emotions today. Ended up being a nut fell off of the starter wire. The starter wire fell off and hit the headers. Headers arced it out, killed the battery. Luckily, Wine Country bailed me out. They had a battery in stock. I run a Braille G30, so it's a special lithium battery. And luckily they had one. You know, they also had the heavier one that I was gonna get, but they ended up having that. So I got Cecil in the car, he's helping me out. So he's just getting the starter wire back on. We got the new battery in here somewhere, and that's all ready to go. So gonna get some gas in the car, start it up, make sure everything's good, and we'll hit the next session. So Sorry about the roller coaster. That's racing, I guess. Well, test and tuning today, but all right, later. Alright, I just got out from my 4th session. Car started to cut up a little bit, so we're checking it out, but I mean, man, it's been pretty awesome. We're done for the day. We're doing some data log check-in, and got G-Speed guys remoting in, checking all my stuff. Let me let them have access to my computer here. And but I mean, we knew it was a test and tune day. We weren't here to set up some like track records or anything like that. So it's been a pretty amazing day. Shifting's amazing. We got the blip shifting on the downshift working, and yeah, it's been pretty nice.
Powered by your old show.